Assalamualaikum and good day to all. Now I will show you the tutorial for chapter 2 part 2. Okay. For this question, figure below shows a dam 60.5 meter long. So means that the long of the dam 30.5 retain 8 meter of fresh water. So 8 meter means that retain, means that your D 8 meter. Okay, and incline at the angle of 60. So here your angle 60. Calculate the resultant force Fr and the location of center of pressure, so CP. Okay, as I mentioned in the class, first equation is F equal to P naught plus rho G H centroid area. Okay, for this case, here this side we have also the water, okay, because dam. So here P naught, right, on the surface of the liquid, and this side also P naught. Because of the both side we have P naught, so we can cancel the P naught. Okay, so same goes to the equation, you cancel the P naught. So now our equation become F equal to rho GH centroid area. Okay, density, we know the density, the value. Gravity also we have the value. H centroid we have to find the value, and also the area of the object. Okay, now we focus on H centroid. H centroid is the distance between center of object to the surface of the liquid vertically. So means that your here your center, okay, here your surface liquid. So your H centroid is here. Okay, for this case, the dam is rectangular shape. So your rectangular shape, so this is your rectangular shape of your dam. So the center for sure at the middle of the dam. So mean that middle, this is your center, means that it half from the head of the object vertically to the surface of liquid. Okay, now the center for this case mean that this is your D equal to 8. So your center means that C equal to D over 2, because vertically from the center of object to the surface of liquid. So means that your HC is 4 meter. So means that here your center, okay, this is your center of object. So your HC is from the center to the liquid surfaces. So this is your HC. So HC become 4 meter. So we can settle your HC. So now we focus on the area. Okay, so area is where the liquid touch to the surface. Okay, means that your area, now your liquid is here, right? This is your liquid. So the surface that touch to your liquid is here, right? This is your surface that touch to liquid. So you have to calculate this surface, the area of the surface that touch to your liquid. So now you have the long of the dam. Okay, this is a 3D imagination. So this is your 3D. You have to imagine the 3D of the shape. So 30.5 means that long the dam until 30.5 meter. That the long of the dam. Okay, so if we draw now, if we draw the dam, so here is your dam like that. Okay, so 30.5 meter, and this your x value. You don't have the value for the x. In this figure, it show as L. Okay, so I use as L, term as L. So for the area, you have to multiply 30.5 multiply by the L. So now we don't have the value of the L. So from the figure, we can calculate the L by, you redraw your equation, you draw your figure. Okay, this is your figure, right? So this is your 8 meter. This is your 60 degrees Celsius, degree C. So that's your L. How to calculate the L? We have to use sine. So sine 60 equal to 8 meter over L. So you can obtain the L. L equal to 9.25 meter. So now you have the L. So you substitute the L in your area. So 30.5 multiply with the L. L is 9.25. So you got the value. A is 281.8 meter square. So now you have the value for the area, and also you have the value for the HC. So you just substitute the value. So your HC you substitute in here, and then the area also you substitute in the equation. So if you calculate, you got the F equal to 11.06 mega Newton. Okay, if you calculate. Okay, now for the first, you got the value for the FR already. Now for the CP is the center of pressure. So for the case of rectangle, so you just remember that center of pressure for the case of rectangle is 2/3. Okay, 2/3 of your object. So means that here, so CP, so your CP equal to 2/3 of your head. Okay, so center of pressure is 2/3. So now you have to know the CP. So H now is equal to the D. So 8 meter, right? So means that your CP now is equal to 2.3 multiply the 8 meter. So you got value for the CP. Okay, CP. So you got the value 5.333 meter. That your CP, vertical to the surface of liquid. Okay, that's the CP. But most case you have to calculate the CP from the Y view. Y view means that with the angle 1. So the value of the CP you obtained just now is from here to this surfaces. So that's your values 3.55, 5.33. Okay, but you have to calculate the value of YR from this point also, but with the angle 1. Okay, so you have to calculate this one, same value. So the CP equal to 2.3 from the length of the object with the theta. So your length is equal to L, right? So means that 2/3 with your L just now you got the value 9.25 meter. So you got the CP value for this 6.16 meter. This CP is here to here. So means that it along the dam to the surface of liquid. So you have to write along the dam to the surface of liquid. So 6.15 meter along the dam to the surface of liquid. Surface of liquid. So means that 6.16 here to surface of liquid. 6.16 meter. That's your center of pressure. But if you use your value with this one, okay, 5.33 meter, you have to write this 5.33 meter vertical from the surface to the center of pressure. So 5.33 from the center of pressure to surface of liquid vertically. So you have to write this detailed elaboration for your CP. If not, you not get the full mark for this part, because I can assume that this 5.333 meter along the dam to the surface of liquid. So if you not write completely your answer, so I can assume it along the dam, so you don't have the mark, so it's wrong. So means that you have to be alert that when you calculate your center of pressure, make sure you have to include this elaboration along the dam or vertically to the surface of liquids. Okay.